Today, we got some exciting news for all you Samsung Galaxy S24 users out there. Samsung rolled out its highly anticipated Galaxy S24 flagships, and while the reception has been overall positive, some early adopters noticed a peculiar issue with the screen's vivid mode. Multiple reports surfaced claiming that the colors weren't as vibrant as expected in this mode, and Samsung quickly acknowledged the concern. But fear not, Samsung enthusiasts, because we've got some good news. Tipster Ice Universe has revealed that Samsung is actively working on a solution to enhance the vividness of the display. In fact, it seems like they're going a step further by introducing a toggle in the next software update, giving users more control over the vividness settings. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The solution involves a three-step option in the advanced settings of the vivid screen mode. The default setting provides a more vivid display than the natural option, although not quite up to the standards of previous Samsung phones. Sliding the toggle to the middle brings the S24 display closer to the vibrant colors of the S23, while the third option supposedly goes even beyond that. If you're wondering where to find this magical toggle, it's nestled in the advanced settings of the vivid screen mode, part of the display settings. You'll find it right beneath the white balance options, allowing users to manually tweak the RGB levels of the display for a customized viewing experience. Now, despite the vivid mode hiccup, it seems like users are not deterred. Samsung has actually increased its shipment target for the Galaxy S24 series, moving from 12 million to an impressive 13 million units for Q1 2024. The Galaxy S24 Ultra in particular is stealing the show, with a reported 65% share of pre-orders. The allure of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 titanium frame and new telephoto camera are clearly captivating the audience. That's all for today. Samsung is on top of the vivid mode issue, and with the upcoming software update, you'll soon have even more control over your display settings. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. As we all know, the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G is releasing, so let's talk about it. If you have already watched this video, you can skip this part. The much anticipated Galaxy A55 is on the horizon, and we have got all the details you need. Samsung's Galaxy S50 series has been a standout in the smartphone market, particularly for its impressive features at an attractive price point. Following the success of the Galaxy S54, Samsung is gearing up for the release of its successor, the Galaxy S55. Let's delve into everything we currently know about this eagerly awaited device. Going by historical patterns, Samsung typically unveils its Galaxy A series phones towards the end of the first quarter, so we can anticipate the Galaxy S55 to hit the stage around March 2024, following the release schedule of its predecessors. Shifting gears to variants and pricing, Bluetooth side data hints at three Galaxy A55 models: SMA556B, SMA556E, and SMA556E_DS. The SMA556B seems tailored for Europe, while the others may target Asian markets. While exact pricing details are scarce if we consider past generations, the Galaxy S54 at £449/$449, the Galaxy S53 at £399/$449, and the Galaxy S52 at £399/$499. It's reasonable to expect the Galaxy S55 to stay below the £500/$500 mark. Design. Leaked renders showcase the Galaxy A55 in three captivating colors: awesome ice blue, awesome lilac, and awesome navy. Inspired by the A54, it features the key island design with a subtly raised frame around the power and volume keys, confirming a sleek metal build. The phone has rounded corners, a protruding rear camera array, and a flat display with a noticeable bezel and a punch hole for the selfie camera. Expected dimensions: 161.1 x 77.3, 8.2 millimeters, 6.3 x 3.0, 0.32 inches. Display. Now, turning our attention to the display. While exact details on the Galaxy S55's display specs remain uncertain, if Samsung continues with the A54's display, users can expect satisfaction. Speculations point towards a 6.5-inch flat display featuring a centered Infinity O front camera. Anticipated specifications include full HD plus resolution and a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. Given the A54's impressive display, any enhancements in this area will surely elevate the overall user experience. Performance. Now, let's talk about performance. The Galaxy S55 continues the series evolution, moving from the criticized Exynos 1280 to the improved Exynos 1380 in the A54. Now, it's rumored to feature the latest Exynos 1480, a promising upgrade. According to Geekbench 6 results, this new SoC is expected to be paired with an unconventional GPU choice, the Eclipse 530 based on AMD's RDNA2 architecture. While the CPU improvements may not be groundbreaking, the shift in GPU could potentially enable the A55 to support ray tracing in games, although this feature is yet to be confirmed. The A55 prototype scored 1127 in the single-core test and 3090 in the multi-core test, surpassing the A54 by a slight margin. The device is expected to retain 8 GB of RAM, maintaining a balance between performance and efficiency. Cameras. Shifting our focus to the camera setup, rumors suggest that the Galaxy S55 might not bring significant changes in this department. The Galaxy Club report suggests no major changes, but that's not necessarily bad news. The A54 delivered impressive photos for its price. While the rear camera setup seems consistent, unfortunately, there's no news on any front camera updates. If the leaks are accurate, the Galaxy S55 might continue to use the same 32-megapixel front camera sensor as its predecessor, the Galaxy S54. While the A54's front camera delivers decent performance, some users may have hoped for an upgrade given the iterative nature of smartphone releases. Battery and charging. Now onto the Galaxy A55's battery and charging. TÜV Rheinland certification reveals 25 VLU fast charging with 9V and 2.55 as support. The 3C certification reinforces Samsung's dedication to fast charging in mid-range phones. While exact battery details are limited, we anticipate reliable 5,000 mAh cell for extended usage. Network and connectivity. Moving on to network and connectivity, the Bluetooth SIG certification reveals that the Galaxy S55 will sport Bluetooth 5.3, matching the capabilities of its predecessor, the A54. Consistent connectivity ensures a smooth user experience, especially with wireless accessories. Software. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the software. The Galaxy S55 is gearing up for launch with Android 14 and Samsung's One UI 6, promising a seamless and user-friendly experience. This combo suggests exciting enhancements to Samsung's ecosystem. Plus, users can anticipate robust software support with the possibility of receiving 4 major Android updates throughout the device's lifespan. Stay tuned for those latest Android advancements.